Hello, welcome to the first update about the 2020 Colorado Academic Science Standards. I'm Cecily Klein, a Director in Curriculum and Instruction overseeing science and math.
And I'm Jackie Adkins, the Secondary Science Teacher on Special Assignment.
Our purpose today is to provide some updated information about the changes for the upcoming school year in our middle school science.
During the summer of 2018, the Colorado Academic Standards were approved by the Colorado State Board of Education. By state statute, Colorado is asked to revise the Colorado Academic Standards every 7 years. During this process, Colorado has adapted the next-gen science standards to meet the needs of Colorado students. With this model, students will evolve from what students know to how students think and what students do in science. We have worked with teachers and teams to ensure we have coherence in our system so that students will have a cohesive and well-balanced experience of earth, life, and physical science in our middle school classrooms.
Over the past 2 years, we have been working with multiple groups and individuals to understand the different needs in our district. We've gathered feedback from science teachers, leaders, and stakeholders across our district. What we have heard loud and clear is that we need a well-balanced, cohesive way to teach middle school science. So what does that mean? In Jeffco, we need all three contents: earth, life, and physical science in all grades. This includes the science and engineering practices connected to disciplinary literacy. Teachers have been so excited about this change. We believe this will transform the task in every science classroom. To ensure our sixth graders are ready for the 2022 Science CMAS assessment, we need to implement the new 2020 Colorado Academic Science Standards during the 2019-2020 school year. This will include a new year at a glance and new units of study throughout the year.
Our first year of implementation, 6th grade will engage with the new standards and new curriculum. The following year, 2020-2021, 6th and 7th grades will engage with the new standards, with 8th grade holding in place with the 2009 standards and curriculum. The year that follows, 2021-2022, all middle school students will be expected to engage with the 2020 standards, and 8th grade will be assessed from the revised CMAS that includes standards mastered 6th through 8th. For more information, you can access the Colorado Department of Education's suggested implementation timeline. In the coming year, we will have some content changes in 6th grade. New units are being written to address the 2020 Colorado Academic Standards. In addition to new units, we will have proficiency scales that will be embedded into the new curriculum. Please look for the new year at a glance the first week of June and the first 2 units by the end of June. On August 9th, we will be offering professional learning for 6th grade teachers around the changes. Watch for more information.
As we lift off into this new adventure in science, please don't hesitate to contact either of us with questions or concerns. We look forward to partnering with you in this transition. Thank you for all you do and have a great summer.